guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 17 for the Vlogmas series here on my YouTube channel. And also today is episode 14 where we are going to be talking all about concealers. So let's get into it. So in fifth place we have the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX. I have tried the foundation and I loved the foundation, and I wanted to pick up the concealer of the same line, and I absolutely love this concealer. It is so good. In fourth place we have the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Oh, the NYX concealer was in the shade Vanilla. And then this one is in the shade Fair Warm. I really like this concealer too. It's so good. Next we have in third place, we have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Channery. I think that's how you say the name. This one topped my e.l.f. concealer. It is so good. I love this concealer. Next, I actually have two shades that I want to share in second place. In the second place concealer because I love this concealer. So in second place, we have the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. I have the shade N2 and Y1. I like to use Y1 for highlighting, and then or for like more glamorous looks. And then the shade N2 I use for an everyday look. I actually have the shade N2 on right now, and I really do like this shade, and obviously this formula is amazing. In first place, this is another kind of natural shade that I love to use. It will match my foundation, and this is in first place. This is the Dior Backstage Flash Protector Concealer. This is in the shade Y1. This has become my new favorite everyday concealer. I really do love this concealer, and I like the packaging. The packaging is really cool on this one. It's just such a good concealer. I love it. Okay, so that was all of my top 5 favorite concealers. See you guys tomorrow for day 18. Bye!